Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to Star Question 56. Sir, the Airport Authority of India is presently preparing a revised master plan for the expansion of the Baljek Tura Airport to facilitate the operations of the ATR 72/Q400s and A320 categories aircraft. An Airport Authority of India would undertake a leaders survey and feasibility assessment to determine the technical suitabilities and exact land requirement for the proposed expansions. And simultaneously, the government of Meghalaya has entered into an operations and maintenance MOU on the 6th May 2025 with the Airport Authority of India and is presently pursuing the matter with the Airport Authority of India to take over, develops and operates the airport on an as-is where-is basis. Upon finalization of the master plans and assessment of the land requirements by the AAI, and the state government will take a necessary step for acquisitions of the requirement land for the expansion of the airport.
Supplementary, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'd like to thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for his reply. Now, in the course of his reply, he had mentioned that upon finalization of the master plan and assessment of land requirements by AAI, the state government will take necessary steps for acquisition of required land. However, according to our knowledge, there was additional land acquisition done. Can we get a clarification as to whether that additional land which was acquired is still not enough? Do we need more land for the expansion?
Yeah, Mr. Speaker, it is a fact that the total land that we're having now is altogether is 211.13 acres, and it was not enough. And yes, during the last few years that we have discussed, they request us to have another additional land for another 68 acre. If it is for the 72-seater for VFR operations phase 1 only. And even though if we go for the 72-seater IFR, instrument flight rules, operation phase 2, it will need another 115 acres. So as of now, the process is still there. So yes, we are needed additional land, but we are waiting even for additional land, so not yet finalized from the governments, because we are requesting them for a joint inspection with the Airport Authority of India officials and the state government officials together in order to identify the correct identification so that there will be no problem in future. So exactly we are waiting for the joint inspection. Only then we will be able to exact whether we will go for the first phase 68 acre, either we will go altogether 68 plus 115 will be 183 altogether for both the phases. And now we are exactly waiting for the joint inspection so that there will be no wrong identification of land in futures. So obviously we are decided from the government, and I'm happy to inform the House. It is a very long pending issues for the last so many years. So now we are happy to inform that both the governments of India, Ministry of Civil Aviation, and the government of Meghalaya are agreed to sign another MOU for handing and taking over by the airport authorities. Only after signing the final MOU, and we'll go for the final survey. Then after the survey we'll be able to know exactly what additional land. Then we can go for a joint inspection. Finally, then hopefully I think in the next few months, so that the process will be finally under process.